friends, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. Long time no see. I just got back from FAE in Dallas. I did a little presentation about piggies and how to use interference paints. It was so fun. It was so fun seeing everyone, and it got me even more excited for my retreat in June. That's coming up so soon. That retreat is sold out. However, for my October retreat, which is 9th to 12th, I have 2, I believe, shared spots available. So if you want to come with a friend, that would be really fun. We're doing, in that class, making your own paints, colors, using inks and adding those. We're doing how to use a hairdryer. We're doing watercolor blooms, which we love. And my favorite class is we're doing a secret commission where everyone fills out like a form, and then we mix them up and give them to people. And so you just kind of get someone's desires and then you make it for them. It's really fun. I know it sounds scary, but people love it. So if you want to join that, email me, art@lisamarvin.com. Also, I've opened up my waitlist for June and October 2027. Those spots are limited because what happens is the people who are at the current retreat, they get first dibs on signing up for next year. And not to brag, but most people re-sign up again. So there's only kind of limited spots left for those retreats. They are in Deer Lake, Washington. You fly into Spokane. Then we drive you to the lake. Everything is included except for your airfare. A shared spot is $34.99. A private room is $39.99. So please email me. I would love to see you. We have so much fun. Okay, since I haven't painted in so long, I just want to do like a regular bloom and see if I still know how to do it. I just pulled out some colors that I already had, and I don't even know how we're gonna feel about them. I'll tell you in a minute, but you know, for my pillow paints, I usually use Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. In my area, they've been thin lately, so I add Glidden Premium Flat Deep Base to them, just a little bit to thicken them up. However, I used to use Glidden Essentials Eggshell for my pillow, and right out of the can it's too thin. So what I do is I decant it into 3 of these. I let them sit out for a few days. I used it yesterday and I still, it wasn't thick enough for me, so I actually added the Glidden to it, and I still didn't love it, but it's thickened up even more now. I'll try it, see how thick it is. I just don't know if I love the way it moves. So I will try to use it, but if not, we will go to a Sherwin-Williams color. Let's talk about what I pulled. TLP Deja Vu. I wanted like a pop, and then the rest are more normal. I have Golden Payne's Gray. I have Old Holland Shadow Green. And I have Golden Phthalo Turquoise. Those are my tubies. And then I just have 3 interference colors, TLP, Ball Gown, Twinkle, and Velvet. Or is it Comet? I guess we'll see. They look white, but their colors show up when they're over a dark base. So we'll play with those. And I just have a 12-incher here, which I sanded down because I didn't like what was on it before. Let's see if I can still bloom. Okay, I chickened out, and I'm gonna use this charcoal blue, and there's a reason. I find when you have especially a thicker white base paint, I have a lot of dark colors, and when they stretch, they do tend to flocculate, meaning you kind of see the particles break up, and I'm just not into that today. So we're gonna use charcoal blue. Sneakers agrees. This is a really pretty color, and this appears very thick, which is fine. Oh, we need to mix it up a bit, which is fine by me. This could be either an old can that hasn't thinned out yet, or just some air got into it. Either way, I do like thick. This is pretty thick. So let me see. I'm gonna spin it a few times. Let her get, you know, stretched out because I don't want to have to spin this too much. I haven't decided if I'm using a hair dryer or my mouth. You know, I do prefer my mouth just because there's more control there. So maybe that's what I'll do. And this feels pretty good. Probably gonna have to spin it a lot. I do see a lot of air bubbles. Yeah. Sorry, I don't like the look of that. Should I torch it? We're not supposed to torch house paint, but don't tell anyone, okay? Got my man torch. I'm just gonna quickly, just a little bit. That never happened. Okay, so because I have a mid-tone here, I can actually start with an interference color. As a matter of fact, maybe I'll do like a double, because that's always fun. This, I'm trying to see what it is. This is velvet. Why don't I do velvet here? Okay, and then below it, I will do whatever this one is. You never know. It's a mystery. Now, normally, when you're doing this and they're gonna show a background, those air bubbles are super killer because they kind of ruin the vibe. But, so you don't wanna mix it very soon before you pour. I'm just getting a skewer. So you kind of wanna plan ahead normally when you're doing this. It works out better. Oh, look, my skewer is broken. It's okay. Hopefully she can do the trick. Okay, so we have this, right? And I'll just stretch her out a bit. We don't know where she wants to go. Just let her be free. I'm so Bob Ross. Okay. Oh, maybe that's cool. Maybe it's not. We don't know. Okay. So, I don't know. That's kind of a fun shape. All right. Pop, pop, pop. I don't even know if we're going to see her. So, because I want the background to show, I'm not going to put too much color down, right? So, on top of this, why don't I start with the, this is also very thick. This is the Payne's Gray. And I will top that Payne's Gray with the Gold Interference TLP Ball Gown. It's gonna be so sparkly. Now, I lied to you before. I said it was shadow green. It's actually a black. Probably a carbon black. So it's an opaque, and I'm just gonna drizzle. I don't want it too intense. And I'm also gonna drizzle the Deja Vu, because we do want a pop of color, but not too much. And I will top it off with the Phthalo Turquoise. Again, I'm drizzling it because the Phthalo Turquoise is pretty intense. Now, for my, by the way, my pouring medium is Bare Dynasty and Joe Sonia Gloss, you can see. And my cell activators, I have Prussian Blue, Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol, and Old Holland Royal Gold with Australian Floetrol. So, I hope this turns out because these colors look pretty. I feel like everything's quite thick, so I'm gonna have to blow pretty hard. Just keep that in mind. Okay, I'm doing a little bit and some gold on top. And we're gonna blow, I was gonna say blow our brains out, but that's not appropriate. Okay. Ready? I'm gonna take my glasses off. These colors look pretty. I don't want to blow into this because that looks really pretty. I love what's happening here. And you can see there's little cells because the paints are thick. These look really cute. Oh my goodness, look at how cute they look. Obviously the shape's a little weird. So, decision time. No, she didn't want to go. She's thick. I really enjoy these colors. I'm making the shape weirder. Okay. Oh, these colors are so good. And I can tell that these paints are super thick because there's still like an indent. Normally they come back together. Let me just show you a close-up though, so you can see what's happening. Aren't these so pretty so far? Look at these. Lots of peacock cells. That's from the opaque paint. Okay, it is time to spin. Move everything out of the way. This color combo, so far, winner. Moving my paints out of the way. We'll see if the paint is too thick to spin out. Let me cover this up. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Now, she might not want to spin evenly. I'm definitely going to use this color combo again though. And you can see the interference paints starting to come alive, which we love. There's a little bloop there. Wow, I'm definitely using these colors again. And I'm going to keep spinning until the paint doesn't move in the middle. She's looking very much like a butterfly. Okay. Wow. She's very, very cool. Where do I want her? I want her down this way. Yeah. Okay. See how, I hope you can see the colors. Okay, so I'm moving it. The middle is hardly moving anymore. So we will do one more spin. I feel like I have to do another one with these colors. They're so pretty. All right. I'm glad I used this dark pillow because I don't think the essentials would have turned out this nicely. There's a little piece of thing right here. Yeah. Okay. Wow. I don't know. I love her. I really do. Okay, one more spin. Okay. I don't know. It's giving butterfly vibes. I think the thick paint in this case really worked for me because it's holding its cells nicely and not distorting. When it dries, this will be so sparkly and delightful. I'm really happy with her. Okay, I'm gonna do a close-up. Do you like this color combo? I feel like I need to do it again. Like, so beautiful. Okay, I'm impressed with these colors. All right, I'll do a close-up. Let me know what you guys think. I love you. Bye.